There was a time in my life when I thought I had lost it all. A painful divorce didn't just shatter my marriage, it shattered me. I lost my home, my financial security, and worst of all, my sense of worth. I felt invisible, adrift in a sea of despair. But even in that darkness, a tiny spark of defiance flickered within me. I refused to let this be the end of my story. This is my journey of how I stood back up when life tried to break me, and how you can too. Before we dive in, I invite you to join our community of resilient souls. Show your strength by hitting like, and in the comments declare, "I won't give up," because your words have power. Subscribe to the Unbreakable You, so we can walk this path together. And don't forget to grab your free Love Yourself journal in the bio. It's the very same tool that became my daily guide, helping me rebuild my life, piece by precious piece. Divorce isn't just the end of a relationship. It feels like the end of who you are. Every plan we built had crumbled into dust. I remember staring at bills I couldn't pay, crying alone at night. The world kept spinning, but mine had stopped, and I wondered how I would ever recover. I felt small, weak, and utterly broken. But rock bottom, it teaches you things. It shows you what you're made of. My breaking point became my turning point. I realized, if I didn't fight for myself, no one else would. I started small, one day at a time, journaling my thoughts, choosing water over wine, waking up earlier, and every small win built strength. I wasn't rebuilding my old life, I was building a new one. Stronger, wiser, unbreakable. Divorce didn't end me. Losing everything didn't break me. It forged me. In the quiet moments of despair, I discovered a strength I never knew I possessed. It wasn't a sudden miracle. It was a conscious decision made every single morning to choose hope over heartache. Today, I stand not because life magically got easier, but because I chose, again and again, not to give up. I am living proof that your deepest wounds can become your greatest strengths, and that no matter how far you fall, you can always, always rise. So if you're navigating your own storm, heartbreak, loss, or rock bottom, hear me now. This is your reminder that you are infinitely stronger than your circumstances. Your spirit is unbreakable, but strength needs action. Start small, rebuild brick by brick. Write down one thing you're grateful for each morning. Make one promise to yourself and keep it. These small acts of self-love are the foundation of your comeback, which I promise will be greater than your setback. If this message gave you hope, like this video, comment, "I rise stronger," and subscribe for your weekly dose of strength. And don't forget to start your own journey. Click the link in the bio to get your free Love Yourself journal. It's the exact practice that helped me rebuild my world, and it can help you too. They doubted you? Perfect. That's not the end. It's the beginning. Every doubt, every side-eye, every "you can't" is the best kind of fuel for your fire. Before we dive in, smash that like button, drop a comment with the words "Fuel my fire," and subscribe to the Unbreakable You. And don't forget, click the link in the bio to grab your free Love Yourself journal to keep your fire burning daily. Let's be real, doubt stings. It feels heavy, like carrying a backpack full of bricks. But here's the truth. Doubt doesn't have to break you. It can build you, if you flip it. Every time someone says you can't, you just added more wood to your fire. The best comebacks don't come from arguments. They come from results. Let your actions do the talking. They doubted the athlete. He trained harder. They doubted the chef. She cooked her way to greatness. They doubted you. Perfect. You're next in line to prove them wrong. So next time they doubt you, smile. Because that's fuel for your fire. Use it, burn brighter, and show the world what the unbreakable you really looks like. If this video lit a fire in you, hit like, comment below with I am unbreakable, and subscribe for more motivation every week. And don't forget, click the link in the bio for your free Love Yourself journal. It's your daily tool to keep the fire alive.
Your mind can be your prison or your freedom. And here's the truth, you get to decide. Today, I'm going to show you how your thoughts shape your reality, how to break free from limiting beliefs, and how to unlock the freedom already inside you.
Before we start, hit that like button, leave a comment if you've ever felt trapped in your own thoughts, and subscribe to the Unbreakable You. And don't forget, click the link in my bio for your free Love Yourself journal, designed to help you take control of your mindset every single day.
Overthinking, self-doubt, comparison, fear of failure, these are mental prisons. It's like living in a cell where the door is unlocked, but you never push it open. A small negative thought spirals into complete inaction. Freedom comes when you shift focus, what you can do instead of what you can't. Practical tips: gratitude journaling, affirmations, self-talk reframes. Freedom doesn't mean life is easy, it means your thoughts don't control you anymore. Two people get stuck in traffic, one fumes, one enjoys music. Same car, different mindset. Mindset is the filter. Change the filter, change your life.
So here's the takeaway. Your mind can be your prison or your freedom. And every single day, you decide. The choice is yours. Don't stay locked in a cell when the key is already in your hand. If this video spoke to you, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment that says, I choose freedom. And subscribe to the Unbreakable You so you never miss another moment of motivation. And remember, click the link in the bio to get your free Love Yourself journal. It's your daily tool to unlock freedom and live unbreakably. Stop. What if I told you your mind is the only thing holding you back? Your mind can be your prison or your freedom. The difference? How you wire it. Negative thoughts drag you down. Positive thoughts lift you up. Today, I'll show you how to rewire your mindset, protect your mental health, and live with strength. Before we dive in, hit like, comment positive mindset, and subscribe to the Unbreakable You. And don't forget, click the link in the bio to grab your free Love Yourself journal.
I'll study harder next time.
Same situation, different mindset. Your mind isn't just reacting, it's choosing. Negative thoughts build walls, positive thoughts build doors, and the more you train your mind, the easier it gets to choose hope over fear. Negative thinking steals your joy. It convinces you you're not enough. It builds storms where there are only raindrops. And if you let it, it will trap you in a prison built by your own thoughts. But here's the truth. You hold the key to the door.
Today was hard, but tomorrow will be better.
Rewiring your mind isn't magic, it's practice. Here's how. Gratitude first. Start your day naming 3 things you're thankful for. Reframe problems as challenges. Instead of, this is impossible, say, this is preparing me. Add the word yet. I can't yet. Use affirmations that build, not break, and celebrate progress, not perfection. Mental health isn't weakness, it's health. Just like your body needs care, so does your mind. Protect it. Rest when you need to. Ask for help when it's heavy. Train your thoughts daily, like exercise, because a strong mind creates a strong life. Positivity doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means laughing when life throws curveballs, shaking off mistakes, and remembering nobody's perfect. Your mind grows stronger every time you choose progress over pity. You can't control every storm, but you can control your sails. Rewire your mind to think positive. Protect your mental health. Because when your thoughts shift, your life shifts. And you'll see that your struggles don't define you. They refine you. Stay unbreakable. Like this video if it gave you hope. Comment positive mindset and subscribe to the Unbreakable You. And don't forget, click the link in the bio for your free Love Yourself journal. Your daily tool for resilience, positivity, and strength.